Hi there! I'm so glad you clicked that link. At this point, you're probably asking,
will it truly work for me? Meron ba talagang business na madali lang?
the shortest and the most honest answer to that is no, if you're doing it alone. But what if I tell you that you can start your business with low capital at mayroong gagabay sa'yo para siguruhin magtatagumpay ang business mo? Allow me to personally welcome you to my second home, Lurleron International Corporation. LLIC is being run by the most passionate and dedicated leaders in the world of entrepreneurs, headed by its President and CEO, Mr. Lorenzo Rellosa, Maria Dolores Astudillo, Executive Vice President, Sajeron Losanto Dayao, Vice President, Sales and Marketing, Leonides Joaquin Rellosa, Vice President, Finance, Ana Lorraine Rellosa, Vice President, Operations, and Nina Corazon Alvarado, General Manager. Trust me when I say these amazing people got your back. There are trainings here and there, one-on-one mentorship through our independent marketing arm, Global Unlimited Vision or GUV, composed of 8 top achievers, performers from LLIC's mother company, TPC, to make sure that you're well equipped with everything that you need to succeed in this business. Sa LLIC, kampante kang legit at matatag ang kumpanya because it has all the required documents and legalities that are constantly being checked and renewed. LLIC's products are of high quality and are all FDA approved. What makes it more exciting is that LLIC is now operating at 19 countries, making our high-quality skincare products more accessible in different parts of the world. See? That's another sign that we're exponentially growing. Sino ba namang makaka-resist sa charm na dala ng produktong maganda na, world-class pa? Because our skincare products are made in Korea. We have the cleansing foam that removes excess oil and makeup. For a model and beauty queen like me, sobrang importante nito to keep my skin healthy and free from crack. We also have the intense whitening toner that deep cleanses the pores and softens the skin. The intense whitening cream acts as a moisturizer and helps prevent aging. The white and wrinkle spot cream helps maintain your skin firm and tight. Our best-selling BB cream protects us from the harsh UV rays because it has SPF 8 sunscreen. It can also double as your foundation. It's super light to use and not sticky. Collagen sheet mask is perfect for your me time. It's very relaxing to use and it nourishes the skin. Another product is the glutathione with collagen drink mix that you only need to drink to detoxify your skin and delay skin aging. Body Shape Slimming Gel is one of our new products that has fat-burning properties. Perfect companion sa iyong fitness journey. The next question you should be asking now is, paano ko ba sisimulan ito? Simple lang. Just purchase any LLIC package. Each package comes with skincare products that are worth more than what you paid for. Insurance coverage, international shipment, personal training, and many more. The total value of the Elite package costs around 675,000 pesos. But you don't need that much money to start up your business. You don't need even 500,000 pesos, not even 250,000 pesos. You can purchase this package and start your own business for only 75,889 pesos. In case you're not yet prepared for the Elite package, don't worry because there's the basic package. Instead of you paying for its total value amounting to 146,528 pesos, the good news is that you don't have to pay 100,000 pesos for it. Not 50,000 pesos and not even 25,000 pesos, but you can purchase the basic package for only 15,889 pesos. Talk about value for money. Marami ka ring pagpipiliang paraan para kumita sa negosyong ito, para mabawi mo ang puhunan mo. Sa pamamagitan yan ng aming compensation plan. Direct selling. The more you sell, the more money you make. By simply selling LLIC products that are tech-driven, natural, and effective, pwede ka nang kumita dahil automatic na may 40% kang discount when you become a basic distributor. Halimbawa, the SRP of this BB cream is at 1,696 pesos, but you can get it at 932.80 pesos. You'll get 763 pesos earnings right there and then. Imagine if you can sell this to 20 of your friends who are looking for the perfect BB cream to wear during their online meetings. That's a whopping 15,260 pesos. And we're talking about just one product here. Direct sponsors reward, or simply, the more sponsors you get, the higher your income will be. You'll get 1,500 pesos for every person who will sign up under the basic package. Kung makakapag-sign up ka halimbawa ng 20 basic packages, kikita ka na ng 30,000 pesos sa isang buwan. And the good thing about it is they can also build their own empire. Sales match reward. You can earn by forming two teams, Team A and Team B. By simply pairing two basic sponsors, you'll get 2,700 pesos income. Let's say you have 10 pairs of basic sponsors. May 27,000 pesos ka na agad. Generation reward. This reward system is exclusive to LLIC Elite and Basic distributors. You get to earn from all the sales commissions of the distributors under you and up to your third level. The 3%, 1%, and 1% generation reward is computed based on your first level, second level, and up to third level's sales commissions, respectively. Starter activation.
Sayang. Gusto ko sana maging distributor ng LLIC. Pero kulang yung puhunan ko.
If you feel like this is the right business for you, kumbaga may lukso ng dugo kang naramdaman, na-excite ka sa mga benefits at advantages na nakukuha ng isang LLIC distributor, but you don't have the means to avail of the package we've mentioned, huwag kang malungkot. Pwede ka pa rin makapagsimula ng iyong negosyo sa halagang 2,000 pesos.
Wow! Really?
At may chance ka pang ma-promote bilang isang basic distributor. All you have to do is just find another 12 starters to be under you, and voila! You will earn 500 pesos per starter activated. And with your 12, you earn 6,000 pesos and you're a basic distributor. The world might have come to a temporary halt, but Lurluran kept its faith according to God's promise, written on Jeremiah 29:11. That's why they never stop in fulfilling their mission, which is to empower other people through wellness and beauty. It only proves that with the right product, mindset, business partner, and support team, nothing can really hinder you from reaching your goals. In LLIC, we will continue to rise as one. No one will get left behind. So join a business that will root for you, will nourish you, and will help you defy your fears. So what are you waiting for? Join Lurluran International now. How? It's very easy. Just click the link below.